Welcome to the Department of Education Homeroom Guidance Module for Quarter 1, My Study Plan, My Guide. Gabay sa magulang o tagapag-alaga. Nagdulot ng napakaraming pagbabago sa pamumuhay ng bawat Pilipino ang pandemyang nararanasan ng buong mundo. Sa gitna nito, ang Department of Education ay kaisa ng inyong tahanan upang maipagpatuloy ang edukasyon ng lahat ng mag-aaral sa buong Pilipinas. Dalawa sa mga pamamaraang ito ang paghahanda ng Learning Continuity Plan at ng Most Essential Learning Competencies. Sa taong ito, inihanda ang Homeroom Guidance During Crisis na naglalayong matulungan ang inyong mga anak upang maipagpatuloy ang pagkatuto sa kabila ng mga pagbabagong dulot ng pandemya. Ang Homeroom Guidance ay naglalayong maituro ang mga kasanayan sa buhay o life skills sa pamamagitan ng self-learning modules. Nakatuon ito sa tatlong mahahalagang domain, ang academic, personal social, at career development. Binigyang focus sa Homeroom Guidance ang mga gawaing makatutulong sa lahat ng mga mag-aaral na magkaroon ng rasyonal na pag-iisip, malusog at maayos sa pagkilos, at positibong disposisyon na higit na kailangan sa panahong ito. Malaki ang gampanin ng mga magulang upang mapagtagumpayan ang mga gawaing nakalatag dito. Kakailanganin ng mag-aaral ang inyong patnubay at gabay sa module na ito. Kung kaya, hinihingi ng DepEd ang inyong suporta na makatutulong upang mapagtagumpayan ng mga mag-aaral ang hamon sa buhay. Maisakatuparan ang mga inaasahang gawain at higit sa lahat, matutuhan ang mga kasanayan sa buhay na kailangan nilang taglayin sa yugtong ito. This module is designed to help you identify the methods of effective study habits towards lifelong learning and to share knowledge, skills, and positive attitudes helpful in lifelong learning. It is composed of 2 parts, 1 part for week 1 and 1 part for week 2. There are activities that will help you value the small steps in strengthening good habits in your everyday life. You will also learn to value time and diligence. Your work will be submitted to your advisor, which will be included in your portfolio. Enjoy learning and doing activities even in the midst of this COVID-19 pandemic. The module comprises 6 interactive activities for you to follow, namely, Let's Try This, will help you get ready to learn. Let's Explore This, will guide you towards what you need to learn. Keep in Mind, will give you the lesson that you need to learn and understand. You Can Do It, will help you apply the lessons learned in daily activities. What I Have Learned, will test and evaluate your learning. Share Your Thoughts and Feelings, will help you express your thoughts and opinions and feelings. Make sure you read this, think, follow, and enjoy every task that you are asked to do. Have fun, stay safe, and healthy. Module 1, My Study Plan, My Guide. At the end of the session, you are expected to be able to describe proper time management and study habit plan, demonstrate effective study habits, and value good study habits and attitudes at home and in school. Suggested total time allotment for this activity is 120 minutes. Materials needed are clean sheet of paper or bond paper, pencil, or ball pen. Welcome to junior high school. You have entered another phase of your life. You are now in the most exciting yet challenging years of being a student. Since this is your first time in high school, expect to meet new friends and new set of teachers. Learn new things too. Your teachers are here to support and guide you in your journey to have a deeper self-discovery. The transition from elementary to high school entails a lot of adjustments. Hence, you need to be mindful on the differences between the two. As you reach this far, there is a need to modify how you manage yourself and habits to pass this grade level. We hope that this module helps you to have a smooth transition from grade school to high school, most especially in your academic tasks and school work. With the technological advancement nowadays, Our time management and study habits have also evolved. Internet has become a good friend of most of the learners who are searching to understand their assignment or even the class lessons without the aid of physical books. Some libraries now offer online learning resources which are very useful for a learner like you. However, there are still schools that rely heavily on physical books or learning materials due to varied reasons or considerations. Resonating on the said premises, you need to adjust your own time management and study habits based on your setup, available resources, and the target academic goal. This module focuses on how you can make your time management and study habits serve a vital role in making your grade 7 adjustment smooth while attaining your target academic goal. The activities will bring you the opportunities to see how relevant your current study habits are and the things you need to change or even improve. Enjoy and discover the beauty of learning. Let's try this. Suggested time allotment for this activity is 15 minutes. My self-forecast. Since this is the beginning of the school year, it would be helpful to have an idea on how you want this year happen. On a clean sheet of paper, draw a symbol of your target achievements in grade 7. After the drawing, write your explanation about the symbol and your answer to the processing questions. Number 1. How do you feel while doing the activity? Number 2. Are those targets attainable in this school year? Why? Number 3. What are the things that you need to change or do to accomplish it? The old and the current me. Copy and answer the table below to see what you have done and what you intend to do to study your lessons and pass the grade level. Do this on a sheet of paper, including your answers to the processing questions after the table. Areas: target average grade, grade 6 and grade 7. Motivation to study, grade 6 and grade 7. Number of hours studying outside classes, grade 6 and grade 7. Number of hours for leisure and relaxation, grade 6 and grade 7. Number of hours to sleep at night, grade 6 and grade 7. Person helping you in studies, grade 6 and grade 7. Processing questions. What do you notice with your answer on both grade levels? Why do you have similar and different answers in a certain area for both levels? Do you think your study habits in grade 6 will work now that you are in grade 7, and why? Keep in mind, here are some terms you need to understand. Study, the activity or process of learning about something by reading, memorizing facts, attending school, etc. Habit, a usual way of behaving, something that a person does often in a regular and repeated way. Study habits is a well-planned and deliberate pattern of study which has attained a form of consistency on the part of the student towards understanding academic subject and passing examination. Let's take a look at some of the things you need to know. Tips to develop effective study habits. Number 1. Have a specific time to study. A routine helps you to develop mental preparedness. It will also condition yourself to do the schoolwork. Be particular on the exact time of your classes and set the time for you to do the self-learning modules. Whatever learning modality you are using, consistency with the time matters. Number 2. Follow your plan. Delaying a study session is only procrastinating and can lead you to rush work later. Your self-discipline will be challenged if you are studying from home. That's why your plan will direct you on how you manage your time, not only for the schoolwork, but for other responsibilities you have at home. Do the difficult assignment first when mental energies are working very well. You know better when your mind is very responsive and when you're having a hard time to process things. However, you also need to consider the deadlines and other aspects that you have to be accounted for. Number 4. Ask for help when needed. In the absence of physical teacher, you may need to ask the nearest adult at home to help you understand the lesson. If possible, you may communicate with your teachers to unlock your difficulties. Number 5. Take short breaks. Sitting for a long period of time requires break. You may use the time to do body stretching, relax your eyes and muscles, or eat. Number 6. Maintain a positive attitude even with difficult subject. Having a negative attitude toward a hard subject will not make it easier for you. Therefore, instead of focusing on the negative side, exert your effort on different ways to understand it. This will redirect your actions in helping yourself rather than magnifying your unhelpful attitude towards the subject. Number 7. Attend classes regularly. Classes are conducted because they follow certain sequence and arrangement of lessons and activities. Therefore, being in class on a daily basis will help yourself to complete the tasks expected for a student like you. Number 8. Practice concentration and focus. Remove all the possible distractions around you if possible. If you're studying in a limited place where noise and other interruptions are beyond your control, find a safe, quiet, and comfortable place where you can have 100% attention on your studies. Number 9. Write your assignments on a notebook. It pays to be organized with your things, most especially your studies. If you have 8 subjects, definitely each will have an assignment. For you to avoid from missing and forgetting to do your homework, you need to be very keen on writing down the details of your assignment regularly. Otherwise, no one will do it for you. Number 10. Keep your supplies in your study place. Before starting your study session, be sure to prepare and arrange the needed things in your area. Practicing this will help you to have a smooth and hassle-free time. Why is it so important to plan your study session? Just like a regular activity, everything has to be organized, calculated, and placed. In this way, you can have a clear view of your activities involving your studies and other tasks. You can feel a sense of direction on what you do daily. You prevented yourself from rushing, which causes too much stress, and you can develop a sense of self-discipline to follow your own schedule, which promotes concentration on what you currently do. End of week 1. Congratulations!